Manufacturing Day is a very important day for manufacturing classes. It gives the students a chance to get their eyes on the industry and see what actually manufacturing is all about.
Just to go around, see other factories, how they work, what's the job type, what tools they have, what kind of job they have, opportunities. Maybe one day, I'll go work there with them.
And when we walk through there, they see finally that it's not just the shop floor, but it's a whole organization.
The group that I was talking to, they had very good questions. They were engaged, and they asked me questions such as, what is the path to getting there? It doesn't matter what career path you take. High school is important, education is important. Of course it is. Post-secondary is also important. They were asking about things about welding and things that they are practicing right now, which is exciting because all those trades are very important in today's economy.
There's a reward that you get for doing something like this where you have a task and you're building it, you're fixing it, you're completing it that day, and you go home like, I made that, I did this, and they're starting to get those hands-on skills, but they're also starting to get an idea of what's available out there, and catching them early on like that they can build their pathway sooner and earlier.
You can learn how to use many different tools. You can learn how to program on the CNC machine. You can design.
If I have to fix like a back deck or build the dresser, it's definitely going to be like still in my mind. And I think I'll take the class again just to have like the life skills of wanting to, like, if I want to build a project when I live on my own house, then I can do it because I won't need to pay someone because I already know how to do it. Definitely enjoy the class. It teaches you skills that you need to know for life.
I would say to never be scared. This classes have a lot of fun and a lot of new things, like new world, designing, new machines, everything.
There's an aging population in this industry locally, and there's nobody coming up the ranks to fill those jobs. And I think there's a lot of opportunity to be had for any students that want to take that route.
But it can lead to other things as well. It can lead to a business owner, it can lead to working in a company, to even teaching later on, right? And teaching the next generation.
It's getting you like experienced with it, so when you go there, you already like have a background, you know how the machines work, you know like the materials you're working with, the tools.
So this just, even if you join the student program, it gives you like doors to different job opportunities that I think are good.
Certain apprenticeships, you need previous experience with like tools or machines. Having prior knowledge, you can get like a higher chance to get hired.
Candidates that one day could end up working with us. And I don't say for us, it's with us. I just want to say thanks for the opportunity, and we hope to see you guys again. We really enjoyed this day. Thank you.